Simon Ekpa declared support on Amaka, who based in Canada, who Nigerians are accusing of saying word against Yoruba and Benin people. Simon Ekpa don come outside for this video, come talk say im go give am every support, both legal and physical. Anyhow wey im the support, im go give am the support. I'm going to play you the video. May you listen to the voice of wetin talk im go do for this Amaka. Simon Ekpa don also come outside to tell us that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have given order of so many of all im brothers and other ones to stop attacking him, but they still go on and attack him again. I'm going to play the voice as well for you to listen. My people, welcome back to this wonderful channel. Today I want you to go and follow our new page. Make sure you are following that page so that you will not be missing our update, which is Balabas G's vlog. Follow the page. It's very, very important because we may not be posting in our old page. Please. Okay, guys. Now I will play you the audios for you to listen of what is going on here. Then before we come back and continue.
About the issue of Amaka. Amaka own is that the government of Biafra, like we have done to every other person, we don't discriminate. Like, you know, we said even if she don't support Biafra, we will fight for her. Even if she don't support Biafra, we'll provide a lawyer for her. We want to use her to make a very big statement to Nigeria and to those who think they can cajole and bully Biafrans all over the world. The time is over. That time where you bully Biafrans is over. Except we don't know about it. Even if the person have attacked me before, I will be in the forefront of fighting for that person. As a Prime Minister of Biafra, that is me. Even if you have done it in the past, the Master Prophet that was making juju, everybody saw him making incantation. Simon Ekpa is going to die. He died, baby. Simon Ekpa, P2P. At the end of the day, he did not build his channel on YouTube. Even when me, I don't have a YouTube channel today. I asked Biafrans to follow him so he can continue to do whatever he's doing on YouTube. But this is a man who was on social media making incantation against me. So it does not matter whether you support Biafra or not. Once you are a Biafran, anywhere in the world, and this will be Kedebri and Nigeria government call for it, I will be there to fight for you.
That's the heart of a god, the heart of a leader. And that Amaka,
as I'm talking to you today, Amaka have blocked all the Nigeria criminals, IPOP criminals. She has blocked all of them. Nobody can have access to her again.
And the video she made, she was not actually insulting you or talking against. She was insulting those that, especially there's one criminal they say he stays in Venezuela. He was insulting them, asking them if they are stupid. Why should they ask her to make a video to talk against somebody, which she was talking about you, to talk against you and send to them for them to post.
It was that same person in Venezuela that told the Amaka that I work for Fulani. And Amaka was asking him, are you sure? And then he said he want to bring evidence to Amaka. And at the end of the day, he changed the topic. Because I listened to the voice where somebody was playing it on social media. You see, we have gone past this level of all those nonsense. I don't have that time. I have provided and assured Amaka that the government of Biafra will be there for her any day, any time, including providing the legal services, whatever she needs. The Biafra government will use her as an example. It is not the time we'll do saga on social media is over. Now it's a government, and that's why what we did first is to provide evidence and to support whatever she has said. Nobody else did it. It was after our support on her statement that many people, even P2P, begin to retract from his statement. You remember that P2P condemned her?
Exactly.
Yeah, all of them condemned her. It was after the government of Biafra came and said, no, enough is enough. She must be protected. That is when P2P retracted from his statement. Every other person, they did not see it from that perspective. So we set example and we set the precedent for others to follow. So Amaka is our own, whether she supports Biafra or not. She's a Biafran, and because an attack on her as Amaka, as an Igbo person, is an attack on Biafra. Anytime Amaka Okechukwu is bullied by Nigeria government, is a bully on Biafra people. And that's how I see it. So it does not matter whether she supports us or not. But I believe that this will teach her a lesson to understand that there is only one hope which is in Biafra.
Thank
But as you can see, the attack is still coming, which means they have no regard for him. Two, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have also threatened and warned the one they call Uchechi never to utter a word against me again. And I challenge them to come on social media and bring her again on Radio Biafra to attack me. And they will see the consequences of that. That is the latest.
Wow.
So, the one they call Meme is a car snatcher. Are you aware that he was locked up for 3 months? He was just released a few days ago. He was locked up for snatching a car. Of course, they claim that he bought the car, a snatch car. He didn't buy any car. He was part of the snatchers. He was locked up, detained for 3 good months. Did you hear it on social media? Did you hear it in any media? No, because they are part of those who kidnapped their brother in order to make money. Do you know that immediately Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped, this guy had built a White House? Are you aware of that?
Yeah.
You're aware of that, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now think about it.
Without working.
Without working. The same thing Hope Uzodinma, the one Igwe, which I exposed last time, Hope Uzodinma Igwe. He is involved in kidnapping. He is the one kidnapping people, and when they kidnap, they are accusing Biafrans. This man was arrested and is still locked up till today. Did you hear it in any media? They have transferred the man back to Imo State. I mentioned his name. his name last time. He is kidnapping and killing people. There was a guy that came back from abroad. He went and kidnapped that guy and killed him. And this man is a right-hand man of Hope Uzodinma, a Igwe of Obodo. And why are nobody talking about it? As I'm talking to you today, the man is still in detention. Because this is part of them. The same thing that happened to this Meme, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu brother. Nobody talked about it. No media. He was detained for 3 good months. No media. The same Igwe is still in detention. As I'm talking to you here now, Igwe is still detained. They have transferred him back to Owerri.
My wonderful people, welcome back as you have listened to that audio voice coming from Simon Ekpa, Prime Minister, PM of Biafra government in SI. My people, you don't hear what in talk concerning Amaka, so Ingo give support to Amaka, and also went ahead and said some companies concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let me know what you think in the comment section and share the video. Comment support to Amaka in comment section. Support to Amaka. Don't forget to comment that in comment section. And also, let me bring you this video for you to watch and see that the Yoruba man have admitted that the Igbos are the ones who are making Lagos, as in making things go in Lagos. That without the Igbo business in Lagos, forget it. Lagos is nowhere. Yoruba people may sell it to China people. So I do the video before, but I did not bring the video up. So let me bring the video up for you to watch before we come back and continue.
Besides the way Tinubu has been rolling, because we are social welfareists and we believe in making life abundant. Even in Lagos, he didn't do it. You understand? Lagos would have collapsed under Tinubu if not because of the import market that we have here. It is not because of what he has done.
No, but they said he did. He's the father of New Lagos.
Oh.
That he put every blueprint in place to make Lagos magnificent.
Oh, and I guess
that when he came into Lagos, they said Lagos was a shithole. He transformed Lagos and turned it to paradise. That's what they said he did.
Well, you can tell that in the man in Maduguri, but we that live in Lagos know that
Tinubu didn't do anything well in Lagos.
What?
He's the father of modern Lagos.
Listen, you built less than 16 kilometers of metro line in 24 years. How could you see, if he had finished the 160 kilometers in Lagos of metro line, we would have industrialized this economy. The same percentage, the same 70% of processing industries is what we're still having. It's still a neo-colonial economy.
So your solutions?
The solutions are this, right?
And do you think he respects human rights of people? That you can answer quickly. And the solutions?
Definitely not.
Okay, so what are the solutions? Economic solutions are very
now I wrote something about the Nigerian dream, right? And if you go back to what Roosevelt did, you understand, I would have expected that when he came in, the first thing was to get rid of at least 50% of our imports. Then to take care of unemployment, poverty, and homelessness, he could have been engaged, you understand, in massive building of housing and railways. You will say, oh, we don't have the money. We do have the money. If you go, if you take the modern monetary theory, right? You could deficit budget. You could build as long as you prevent that money from seeping into imports. So if you build.
Okay, my wonderful people, share this video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates as it is hot, and don't forget to drop your own opinion in the comment section and rush go follow our new page. Thank you.